uh, hindi natin pwedeng ihiwalay totally ang religious intonation dito. The fact that the preamble even states that we're asking the help of Almighty God on this. So how can you separate that from any kind of religious tone kung dun mismo sa Constitution natin nakalagay yung Almighty God? See? Now, sa akin ganito, we do not want to uh, promote the separation of couples. We don't want to promote the destruction of families, no? By putting divorce, samantalang meron naman tayong legal separation, meron tayong narrative of marriage, meron tayong annulment of marriage law. Siguro kinakailangan mo nating isipin maigi yan, tapos magkakaroon tayo ng divorce. Although pinapaliwanag po ni Congressman Lakban that we are giving all the options. So what options? I mean, darating ang panahon, dadami pa ang options na yan eh.
I think this is one of the this is the only issue, I guess, that Manong Benny and I differ in our position. No, Manong Benny is against the divorce law, while I am for divorce law. Sa tama po yung sinabi ni Manong Benny. I personally cannot separate my being a Muslim to the position that I would take, my religion, because it is in my core character. Precisely the reason why I voted yes, dahil in our religion we allow divorce because we see marriage as a social contract between two consenting adults. And the reason why I agree with the divorce is that it would make it easier for the legal processes to apply for annulment, the nullity of marriage, the absolute annulment under the family code, much easier and less costly for those who may avail of it.